So let me throw some numbers at you. How about 7, 11, and 200? See, I'm in Lackawanna, New York, right by Buffalo, where this guy grew up and lived in 7 different houses in this neighborhood. Now, over the course of 11 years, he made over 200 trips to New York City to sample, taste, and research the finest Italian restaurants. Now, you add up those numbers, what do you get? 218, right? Nah, that's not what I'm talking about. What you get is a neighborhood guy that comes back to his home turf and is serving up handmade Italian food. Welcome to Mulberry Italian Ristorante.
Lasagna for table 7.
This place is awesome. I love it.
Order up.
A lot of Italian food in Buffalo. How does this rate?
I think it's the best. Gnocchi Mulberry.
The food beyond belief. It's just wonderful.
Like eating at home, Italian home.
No surprise there.
I grew up Italian.
You learned to cook with your mom and your grandma?
Right down the street.
But owner Joe Yergi
Table 4.
figured out his favorites in New York City. Now, every time you go down, you do what?
Eat. Eat like crazy.
So when he opened this place,
Shredded mozz over here.
he brought his 2 worlds together.
All the different things that I've tasted and tried with a little bit of grandma's touch and mom's touch. How long that lasagna been?
Chicken parmesan, delicious.
Homemade lobster ravioli.
There's more lobster in this than at the last lobster dinner that I had.
Take a meatball, please.
I don't know what he does with his meatballs, but it's delicious.
I don't know what he does back there, but I'll leave it at the magic's in the kitchen.
And for his next trick, Joe's doing 45 pounds of handmade lasagna. Handmade pasta, handmade sauce. Let's do this.
All right.
So we got the all-purpose flour.
00.
Oh, this is 00.
00, yes, sir.
00 flour is the optimum, really high gluten. So we're gonna create a well, get the eggs in.
The salt.
Now, are you doing food processor, or this is always how you doing it?
Always by hand, because it's the right way to do it.
Little oil. This is about as old school as it gets right here. How much will this make us?
2 layers of lasagna.
And how many layers you got?
4.
You gotta double that up?
Right.
Now you'll let this rest, what, half hour?
Wet towel over.
Okay, so we got our dough rested. Work your magic.
A little semolina flour. And cut a little bit off.
So you got somebody back here full time almost doing this.
We do it by committee.
Just making it to a workable size so you can get it into the machine. I think it could use a little oil.
Yeah, no question. Nice and thin. That's about it.
Ready? Rundown, brother.
All right. I'm gonna butter this pan, and I'm gonna throw some panko in there just to get these fresh sheets. Build a wall first.
I feel like I'm at some cake decorating competition, and you're making the lasagna cake. How many of these you make a day?
2 of them every day. 3 on Saturdays. With the sauce.
You make the tomato sauce too?
Absolutely. Meatballs, please.
All that time and attention you did to those meatballs, you're just gonna go and slice them right up, throw them right on the bottom of this thing.
That's right.
Wow. Little mozz and parm combo. Another sheet of pasta.
A little bit more sauce on there.
Now chicken, we can get the whole coop in there. More mozz and parm.
Right.
Another sheet of pasta, and then what?
Stuffed hot pepper mixture. Just needs a little bit of sauce first.
Now sausage and peppers. I feel like I'm in lasagna surgery here at Flavortown Memorial. Dr. Joe's been working feverishly. Then another layer of the pasta, and then the ricotta on top.
Yes, sir.
Which is tossed with a little...
Fresh parsley and a little bit of garlic. I think our patient's progressing nicely. Put just a little bit more sauce on there, and then we're just gonna fold this over.
Bake it up a nice.
I think we'll cover the patient. I expect a full recovery, probably within the next hour or so.
At what temperature?
375.
Like it. Look at that. Over the top with the marinara?
Right.
So we're getting here, spot me. That's seriously the portion. Garnished with some Parmigiano Reggiano.
And some fresh basil.
Mr. Bunyan, I don't know if I want to eat it or climb it.
That's the way we do it.
Look at this right here. Sticks together. Wow, man.
Good?
That's not good. That's great. It's rich. It's flavorful. Everything you want a lasagna to be. And quality.
My man.
Nice job, Joe. So I'm here in Wheat Ridge, just west of Denver, Colorado. Now, let me just tell you, back in the day, I first started working at the fair selling my pretzels at the Austin Pretzel Cart. And then when I got my restaurants, well, I started selling what I'd sell at the restaurant at the fair. But I heard about this family that started off in the fair business, and then they went and opened a restaurant. This is Grammy's Goodies.
Chicken Alfredo and a sausage cannoli.
Best Italian food in the city.
Giant ravioli from Mackenzie.
Coming to this place is like going to your grandma's house.
Because Grammy's is actually filled with Grandma's recipes, which Vicky Corder, her husband Jeff, and their kids first started selling at festivals. And when business boomed, they expanded to a full-fledged restaurant. What's the story?
I needed a commissary for our concession business. We do 50 events a year, all over Colorado.
There's no way you are not from Long Island.
Every day.
Every
People tell me
day.
that. New York looks like me.
See, that's it.
Jeff's original cannoli.
I feel like all the food here is larger than life.
Sauce and lasagna.
Have you seen lasagna that big?
Not before, no.
It's the cheesiest lasagna you'll ever eat.
What are we starting with?
My grandmother's
Okay,
Sunday sauce.
okay.
Olive oil,
Yeah.
pork ribs, and neck bones.
Any prosciutto?
No,
How did you know what that was?
because I'm Italian.
You call it prosciutto in Denver?
I call it prosciutto because
Well,
I'm not
from
from New
New
York. Garlic salt.
What's up next?
She made us put everything in the sauce in threes because it blessed the sauce. Father,
So 1 garlic.
Son, Holy Ghost.
That's a lot of garlic.
That's the perfect amount of garlic.
I thought so too. That's what I meant to say.
Onion, parsley.
What about the Father and the Son?
I'm saying it to myself.
I want to be in on it.
Crushed tomatoes, fresh basil, black pepper,
And salt.
Tomato paste goes in.
And a lot of water. And how long is this going to cook?
About 3 hours.
What's up next?
Nana's meatballs.
Is Nana different than Grammy?
No, I called her Grammy. My kids called her.
Nana.
It's half pork, half ground beef. Mix it together.
Now, she taught you these recipes by you standing next to her, or did she just throw you right in the mix?
She had horrible arthritis.
Oh,
so
really?
I was her hands. Chopped onions, soft breadcrumbs, basil, garlic,
You guys love your garlic.
parsley, Romano cheese,
Salt.
black pepper, and eggs.
How many meatballs will this make?
About that tray's worth.
Okay, good.
They're about 1/3 of a pound.
Ooh, we're really coating the pan up, huh? So we're not just gonna bake them, we're gonna also give them a little pan fry. 350 degrees, how long?
15 minutes.
Next up?
Whole milk, ricotta cheese, black pepper, eggs, fresh parsley, mozzarella provolone blend, and Romano cheese.
How many layers are you making?
Probably 6.
Okay, just shout it out when you know the answer.
You make me so nervous.
I'm just standing there talking. Granted, I'm questioning.
The place of my origin.
Well, that we know is just a gigantic farce. Did you see after trying to kick me on Triple D? All right, Vic, let's see it.
Olive oil. We line our noodles up. It's got to be 7 by 7.
It's gotta be 7 by 7.
Sauce. About half the cheese on this layer.
How much of the sausage is going in there?
All of it.
That's a lot of sausage.
The family that makes it has been in business for 100 years. They were friends of my grandma.
Got it.
Noodles.
Noodles again. Sauce again. Cheese again.
Meatballs.
Oh, this should be an interesting number.
A lot of meatballs.
Well, that can't be the real way, Vic. I think
It's
I'm being
12.
told a story. 12,
It's 12.
okay.
How many do I have in there now?
I have no clue.
Me either. Provolone. Noodles.
How long is this gonna bake? 4 years?
About 3 hours.
Whoa! That is a monster. Oh, the parsley made it healthier.
Yeah, eat your vegetables.
One small bite for man. So I know that this is the lasagna portion for the entire family. Lots of ricotta, delicious meatballs, tender pasta, dynamite sauce. You make this roll yourself also?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna tell you what. This is old school American Italian, exactly the kind of lasagna I would expect to go and get at Grammy's house. I'm here in Maui, just up the street from the Andaz Hotel. It's a husband and wife team. She does the baking, he scratch makes everything, and I'm telling you, everyone talks about it. This is Matteo's Osteria.
I got gnocchi.
His food is so authentic.
It's like walking into a little piece of Italy.
Cheese meatball.
You feel like your mom, who wants you to have the best, is cooking for you.
Italian food is just so amazing. We all love it.
So there is a good combination of modern and traditional Italian cooking.
Lasagna coming up.
When I tasted his lasagna, I was like, my grandma's in the room again.
It's just creamy and delicious.
I can assume we're starting off with
the bolognese.
Okay, the bolognese.
We start with the oil. Italian sausage, mirepoix.
To give that natural sweetness.
This is local ground beef, grass-fed. This kind of things is a morning job for me. I can add the mortadella next.
Let me see. That's not mortadella.
Look at that, look at that.
Just make sure it's mortadella.
It really is mortadella. Boy, that's good. Is there more mortadella?
Deglaze with the Sangiovese wine.
That's not real Sanju.
That's bay leaves, rosemaries, tomato sauce. I import canned tomatoes
From Italy.
The Ville Demi.
If you could see, guys, the viscosity of this, and that comes from when you make your own demi. How long is this gonna simmer?
At least it's 3 hours. Now we're gonna go in the back.
We're gonna get into making the pasta?
First the flour, I mix it with salt, and then I add the eggs.
Got it.
I let it work 15 minutes, and I need to wrap it and let it rest for an hour. The flour and semolina mix.
Folding it in thirds when you're folding it in half to continue to build the layers.
So this is ready.
Nice.
He's taking the measurement of the half pan.
You go.
Hey, let's go take a watch.
Did they just leave us? It did.
Blanch the pasta. I use bechamel sauce on the bottom, give a nice moist pasta sheet. More
And
bechamel. The bolognese that we made.
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Mozzarella cheese.
And it just keeps going.
5 layers of love.
5 layers of love. Par bake this for how long?
15, 20 minutes. I flip it on a cutting board, cool it, portion it, bechamels.
When it's time for service, you bake it in the
I
terracotta
bake it in
bowl.
the 10 minutes with the foil on.
Okay.
Another 5 to 10 minutes without the foil, because I like that nice, crusty, cheesy. Don't touch it, it's very hot. Parsley, Parmesan cheese.
And that's all she wrote.
You're gonna share.
No. We speak the same language. Young grasshoppers, I want you to learn the discipline of how to enjoy one bite at a time. See, I like how you got that nice and crispy on top. Just watch, guys. It's delicious.
This doesn't hurt us at all.
This is rustic, super balanced. You really get the bolognese. And it's not heavy, and it's bright, really clean flavors. We should have popped a couple in for the boys.
My mouth's just
I got a full tray for them.
Your lasagna?
The toasted melted cheese really gives it a nice little crunch. It's good stuff.
I think I'll be able to actually finish the entire dish, and that's not common with lasagna, but this, I could pound it out.
Triple D's at Rigoletto's Italian Bakery and Cafe in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Is it big enough? It's huge. It's ridiculous. Mother Gilda and daughter Jessie are the bosses, the cooks, and definitely the heart of this place.
Come in here, you're made to feel like you're one of the family.
We're more like an Italian home, you know? People come in, we know their first name, we know what they drink, we know what they eat. Stuffed meatballs.
Stuffed meatballs? Yes, sir. Dude, I'd weigh 5,000 pounds if I lived within 500 miles of this place. All right, what are we gonna make?
Stuffed meatballs.
Stuffed with what?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella?
And a lot more than that.
More than mozzarella?
A lot more. All right, we're making the stuffing. That
Make
goes
it quick
inside.
because I'm gonna be inside of what?
It's not you in a minute.
Really, a stuffed meatball?
Yeah.
A bunch of cold cuts going to stuffed meatball.
First step is to dice and slice Genoa salami, spicy cap,
Spicy capicola,
Black Forest ham,
Black Forest ham,
provolone,
little provo,
and mozzarella.
little mozz, correct?
You got it.
Oh, there's nothing wrong with that.
It's on the low-fat menu.
Yeah. Eat this, it'll make you low and fat.
It's mixed. We're gonna make a meatball first.
And then we're gonna put inside. You've got everything here, except no milk.
No milk. I don't do milk. They're not wimpy. We can't have wimpy meatballs.
What is it, wimpy? I just had some dental work done. I don't want to go breaking anything by
Trust
eating
me.
these hard meatballs.
Trust me. The stuff inside is gonna make it wonderful.
You put those on like your doctor.
Doctor of meatball making.
Okay, what do you got?
Now I'm putting in a leaner meat mixed together with a fattier meat. 22 eggs.
Not 23.
22 is perfect.
That's a lot of eggs.
I know. We want it a little moist.
Because these breadcrumbs are gonna suck up every bit of moisture that these things have.
But that's what we want. We want dense meatballs so nothing comes out. You wanna do it?
What are these called? The desert
how to do it?
meatballs? You know what? We give you the meatballs free here, and then you have the 20 bucks for a
Let's
glass
see
of
if
water.
you say that after you eat it. Dried parsley.
Pecorino Romano? Parmigiano Reggiano?
Sure. Garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And now I'm mixing.
Okay, so now bring over the filling?
Yep.
The scooper duper and a pan that Columbus brought with him on the Pinta.
Santa Maria. I'm gonna scoop the meatball mixture, place it into my hand, make a hole in it, take a pinch of stuffing, stuff it in, and close it up. I do this, each meatball, one at a time, all day long.
All right, so we make these up.
Yes. I
In
sit
the oven,
here.
350?
Yep. 325.
320. Hey!
You burn the meatball at 350.
It burns the meatball, puts the lotion on.
Low and slow. Now we're gonna do the spaghetti. Don't, cold. Don't. It's not gonna be cold
It's
in a
cold.
minute. It's
cold spaghetti.
Not yet. No.
You can't put the cold spaghetti in the...
Yes, you can. You know why? Because my grandma's sauce is going on it, and that makes everything all better. Our crushed tomatoes.
Okay.
We got a little room back there. My grandma sits in there, and she makes the tomatoes. It tastes better when my grandma does it with her hands.
Okay, so the hot meatballs stuffed with the entire deli selection.
Minus what you ate.
Oh, nice.
All right, 2 meatballs, spaghetti, nice, fresh, dente, beautiful. Not done yet.
Of course we're not done yet. We're gonna have to put more sauce on it. Grandma's gonna be smashing
does
a lot of tomatoes.
She does all right.
Permission to pick up the fork.
Absolutely, sir.
Look at that. Look at all that creaminess from the provolone and the mozz. Because the inside is so creamy, you do need that hard exterior of that almost to keep it locked in.
Yeah.
Not overly flavored. You know, I was wondering with all those cold cuts in there if there was gonna be too much salt. A really nice balance. A little sweetness coming out of that ham, a little out of the mozz.
Yeah.
A little salt from the provolone. Pasta is al dente. The sauce is sweet and just luscious and great tomato flavor. The fresh basil really sings out. But it's dynamite. With a name like Guy Fieri, you know I love Italian food. If you find yourself in Baltimore and you're looking for some good Italian, check out this. Di Pasquale's, making their own pasta, doing their own mozzarella, casing their own sausage, and doing it old school in the back of a market.
Is that gonna be for here to go?
Can I have a honey with ham?
Okay, gonna be number 14.
Why get into the restaurant side of things?
It started with, he made me a sandwich. So then we brought a table out into the store.
There you go.
And add more tables and more tables. And then led into this.
A full menu
Do you want that heated or cold?
of homemade Italian.
I'm having the lasagna. The spices, the sauce, absolutely delicious.
The arancini. I've never had it like this before.
It's always good.
The kind of cooking
That's good.
Joe Di Pasquale and his wife Sabrina grew up with.
I used what my mother and my parents have taught me, what my husband and I learned, and put it all together.
The food is amazing.
Very authentic.
More like old school.
When I walked in, I could smell it. From the fresh mozzarella to the sausage.
This is all homemade.
So you make your pasta noodles for every lasagna?
Mm-hmm.
Now, why do you make them oat?
Well, because I'm gonna scramble the egg.
Why not scramble them ahead of time?
I like doing it
This is how it's supposed to be done.
Yeah.
This is what your mom said.
That's right.
Pound of flour, 5 eggs, a little salt, and a lot of love.
Then actually just a little drizzle of olive oil.
Just about a teaspoon?
Yeah.
You want to get it to where it just starts to form together and then grab it out.
That's right.
You're gonna let it rest?
Yes, we're gonna
For
let
about,
it rest.
what, 20 minutes, 30
About
minutes?
20 minutes.
You cover yours with like a little damp towel?
Yes, I do.
So it doesn't dry out. This will be enough to make our lasagna.
Yes, we're gonna quarter this, knead them down a little bit.
Let me play.
Okay, not too wide.
Because it won't fit in the machine.
Yeah, that's good. Take it,
Let it draw through itself.
and it's a nice, thick pasta sheet.
Now fold it into itself.
Back to the press. Change the notch, press again.
7 times just to get us to this stage. These will just get a chance to kind of hang out a bit till
That's
we're all
right.
done, and then we'll
Yep.
use a little salted boiled water.
And a little bit of olive oil. Give them about 2 minutes. I'm just gonna grease the pan a little bit with some butter, a little bit of marinara.
Marinara that we made. Look at the color on that.
Go over to our pasta sheets.
Look at that.
Lay it down in here.
Right, and you overlap it because
Yes.
that helps it stay together when you come out with
That's
the
right.
spatula.
A little bit of sauce, Parmigiano first.
This adds a little bit of saltiness to it.
Then I go for the ground beef,
It's that fresh ground
Yes.
that we do. A little garlic, a little salt and pepper.
parsley, a little bit of the mozzarella, a nice amount down.
And that'll melt and spread a little
It
bit.
will spread out. And then we're gonna go for the ricotta cheese.
Nice and light. How many layers of this? 3?
3 should work.
So we go back down with the noodles, sauce, Parmesan, ground beef, mozzarella, ricotta, and then again.
And again.
We bake open on the top layer.
Yes, 350 for about 45 minutes.
Fantastic. Oh, look at that. See those layers in there? Oh, that's delicious. Exactly how it's supposed to be done. Nothing's pouring out. You could taste the meat. The ricotta stands out. That's up there with any of the best lasagnas there are. Great job.
Thank you.